Chromecast not connecting, not casting, buffering repeatedly, or not showing up on your TV is a very common and frustrating problem. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it at home without doing anything risky or complicated. In this video, I'll walk you through simple step-by-step solutions that can help get your Chromecast working normally again. First, let's start with the basics by checking the power and TV input. Remove the Chromecast from the TV's USB port and connect it using the original power adapter, since TV USB ports often don't supply enough power. Look at the Chromecast and make sure the indicator light is on. Now grab your TV remote, press the input or source button, and select the HDMI port where the Chromecast is plugged in, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2. If the TV still shows no signal, move the Chromecast to a different HDMI port and check again. Next is the most important step: restarting everything. Unplug the Chromecast power cable and wait about 30 to 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Then turn off your TV, unplug it from the wall, wait 1 full minute, and turn it back on. After that, restart your router or modem by turning it off for a few seconds and powering it back on. Finally, restart the phone, tablet, or device you use for casting. If this step fixes the issue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes. Now let's check your internet and Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your internet is working properly on your phone or laptop. Then confirm that both your phone and Chromecast are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz options, try switching between them to see which one works better. Moving the Chromecast closer to the router can also improve signal strength and reduce buffering. Think about any recent Wi-Fi or router changes. If you changed your Wi-Fi password or installed a new router, your Chromecast may still be trying to connect to the old network. Open the Google Home app and update the Wi-Fi settings so it connects to the correct network. You can also try disabling special router settings that may block device connections. Next, check the Google Home app setup. Make sure the app is updated from the Play Store or App Store. Open it and see if your Chromecast appears. If it doesn't show up or keeps disconnecting, remove the Chromecast from the app and set it up again from scratch. Assigning it to a room during setup can also help it work more reliably. If your Chromecast connects but buffers or plays slowly, performance issues are likely the cause. Keep it away from crowded cables and nearby electronics to reduce interference. If your Wi-Fi is unstable, using an Ethernet adapter to connect the Chromecast directly to the internet can provide a much more stable connection. Finally, if nothing else works, resetting the Chromecast is the last option. If a restart option is available in settings, try that first. If the problem continues, perform a factory reset by pressing and holding the button on the Chromecast until the light starts blinking. Release the button and set it up again using the Google Home app. That's it for this video on fixing common Chromecast problems. I hope these steps helped you get your Chromecast working again. If one of these fixes worked for you, or you still have questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.